Hey guys, this Truly Free dishwashing detergent is an absolute game changer. I love that I can trust the ingredients in here. I love that everything is clean and non-toxic. It gives you all the instructions that you need on the back, which is super nice. And then there is a QR code here that you can scan to for more information. But this is awesome. This is cruelty-free, dye-free, plant-based, just awesome. I love this thing all around. I actually get the subscription of this, so I get this, I want to say it's like once or twice a month, and we are still on our first pack, but I just don't ever want to run out because I love it that much. We have a big box that we put all of this in, so we don't have to like open this every time. It just has like a press top, and then this comes with a scoop too. So you scoop out as much as you want. I think it's already pre-measured. Put it in your dishwasher and forget about it. And you don't have to worry about any chemicals or anything like that being on your dishes. My parents, when I was growing up, they always used the gel or the little pods, and I hated it. I always swore that I could taste it on our plates and our silverware. And now that I have this, I can definitely tell, yes, that is what I was tasting, because I don't have that taste or that feeling with this at all. Overall, the quality is just absolutely amazing. You can tell that it was very carefully designed and thought out, and I cannot recommend this enough.